everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate or turn on Gmail two-step verification. Okay, so the two-step verification method is useful to secure your account in a better way. Okay, so without two-step verification you use only the password to log into your Gmail accounts, but if you will activate two-step verification you have to enter the password first and then you will receive a code on your phone that you have to enter, and only then you will be able to log into your account. So this way you can secure your Gmail accounts in a better way. So even if someone has access to the password of your account, he cannot log into your account so easily. Okay, so this will also prevent your account from getting hacked. Okay, so let's begin and see how you can activate the two-step verification for your Gmail account. So in a new tab, you have to go to gmail.com and then log into your Gmail account. So first of all, enter the username. Click on next and now enter the password. Click on next. So after logging into your account, now you have to click on the settings icon. Here it is. Click on that and then select the settings option. Okay, again click on settings. Now this is your settings section. Now click on accounts and import option. Here you will get the option to change password recovery options. Click on that. Okay, now scroll and here you will find the two-step verification that is off currently. Okay, click on it to turn it on. Now here is the information provided about this method. You can protect your account with two-step verification, and each time you will sign in you will need your password and a verification code. Okay, so this will prevent hacking. Let's get started. Now again you have to enter your password for verification. So enter the password and then click on next. Okay, now a new window will open and here you will be able to turn on the two-step verification. You will be asked if you want to turn on the verification for your phone device. So first of all you have to unlock your phone and tap yes on it. Okay, you will get a notification from Gmail. Yes, tap yes on your phones and then you will be asked how you want to get the code, through text message or through phone call. Okay, you can select any one of these and click on send. Now check your message box of your phones and you must have received a code. Enter the code into the space provided. So my code is 58 I think 7778. Okay, so after entering the code click on next. If you haven't got the code you can click on resend as well. So two-step verification is about to be activated for your account. Okay, you can read the instructions that you will need your password and the second step to log into your Gmail account. Click on turn on. So your two-step verification has been activated. Okay, so first you will be required to enter the password for your account and then you have to enter the code you will receive on your phone. Okay, that was all about two-step verification. Now let's see if it works or not. So for that, first of all sign out of your account and now try to sign in again using the new login method. Let's see if it works or not. So click on the email address, enter the password. First of all, you have to enter the password. You cannot skip that. Okay, you need to remember the password as well. And now check your phones for the code you have received from Google, but before that you have to tap yes, that you are trying to log into your account, okay, not someone else. After tapping yes, then you will get the code. If you are not the one trying to access your account, you can press no. So here it is, we have successfully logged into our account using the two-step verification method. Okay, so this way you can keep your account more secure. Now if you want to turn the option off, the two-step verification option off, you can do that as well very easily. Again, you have to go to the settings section, as you can see on the screen, then to the accounts and import area, click on change password recovery options. Now again go to the two-step verification method. Yeah, here it is shown as on, so you have to turn it off. Click on it to turn it off. Now again you have to enter the password. It is mandatory, so make sure you remember your password, or you can make a note of it somewhere. Now here you can click on turn off if you want to skip this two-step verification method to log into your account. When you turn it off, you will remove the extra security layer of your account and you will only require the password for logging in. Okay, so it was all about it. Now we have turned off the verification, two-step verification. Okay, so that was all about the process. If you have any queries or suggestions, you can mention down in the comment box below. Stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.